Okay, very exciting. Welcome to Australian Muscle Car TV. Today we have Bespoke Transport delivering us from South Australia a genuine Bathurst 1969 HT GTS Monaro 350, and this is a stunner, fully restored by Manta Restorations in South Australia. And this will be coming to the market right now. Here we go, the reveal. Oh my God, look at that. Sebring Orange. And the first reveal, 350. Oh, magic. Wow. Very, very, very nice. 1969. Race with Colin and Tony Roberts ahead of the GDHO, and this would be the homologation special in order for them to be able to race at Bathurst. So this is basically like the GDHO. That's how important these cars are. Bathurst homologation special car, and winner of the Great Race for 1969. There we go, the big starter. Let it warm up a bit. What a great colour, Sebring Orange.
Perfect, as you are. Nice and slow.
Wow. First look. Look at this, passing all of its brethren on the walls as it's coming into the showroom. And here we go, we'll put it on the turntable and get it ready for photography. But yes, a very, very significant car for the Holden collector. Super rare, homologation special HT 350 Bathurst Monaro. I'll have all the details on the car on the website, and just been restored. So absolutely knockout colour, Sebring Orange, 69 350 Monaro GTS. number 23, body number 23. Wow. Very early. Let me have a look inside. Wow. It's a very rare car. Look at that, Monaro GTS. Beautiful. We'll have lots and lots of photos on the website for you shortly. Thank you for watching Australian Muscle Car TV.